guys, it's Logan. I am back with my third video this month and I am like super proud of myself. We'll just get that out of the way first. But I am using 3 new releases for this manicure. All 3 will release on December 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time. We have the monthly duo and then also an additional release, which is that really pretty sheer shimmer. First I'm going in with the solid or shimmer from the monthly duo. It is a really pretty pale blue that has a slight shimmer, and this one is called Sky's the Limit. So I'm going to be dipping into this one twice on my thumb and middle finger, and then I will be back. So now I'm going to go in with the other new release. This is not a part of the duo. This is just an additional release. And this one is called Stardust. It is a sheer pinky nude with a really pretty shimmer. It's not an overwhelming shimmer, but just enough. I think this would be so pretty with a French manicure or like baby boomer. I'm not gonna lie, I dipped into this and I literally fell in love with it. It's so elegant and simple and clean. I think this color would be really pretty just to use on all 5 nails. Now that I'm done obsessing over that color. I did 2 dips, and on that nail I decided to do some nail art, so it does get mostly covered up, but I did want to mention how much I am obsessed with that dip. The glitter that I'm going in with now is a part of the monthly duo, and it is called No Ceiling. This glitter does have a shard, irregular shaped glitter pieces in it, which are almost like mirrored. They're super pretty. This one is really striking. You'll see in the video clips at the end and the pictures, it really pops. It does take a little bit of maneuvering with the irregular shaped glitters. You'll see I go right in and just start kind of pushing those off of the cuticle area in towards the center of the nail, kind of moving them around and making sure they are nice and flat. Looking back now, if I were to redo this, I would have just added some hand-placed pieces on this coat instead of doing a second full dip. I just felt like it got a little bit too thick for my liking, since these glitter pieces are a little bit on the larger side. I almost left it with one coat because I kind of liked the, I don't know, sparseness. I thought it was kind of interesting looking, but kind of like broken glass. But I didn't. I went in with a second dip, and like I said, I think I would have just added a few more pieces with hand placement instead of doing this full dip. Just something to keep in mind. Now I'm going to go in with our crystal glass clear to encapsulate the chunky glitter. And when working with a really chunky glitter like this, I do like to apply my coat of glue a little thicker than normal. You'll see I even go back in and dip into the bottle again. And that is just to make sure I am getting liquid in all the little cracks in between the large glitter pieces, which is going to give me that really smooth coat of clear without any of the glitter popping up through my encapsulation. Once that has dried, you're going to go in with your stiff nail brush to remove any excess powder, activate to harden and set, and then you can go in and do your buffing and filing. I did this off camera for time purposes, but now I'm going in with my alcohol and stiff nail brush to clean up the dust and debris, and then I will go in and start my nail art. So when I first started this manicure, I did not intend on doing nail art, but I knew once I had applied Stardust that I was going to have to add something to this nail. I just felt like it needed something in that place. I didn't want to do a snowflake or anything like that, but I wanted something fun and Christmassy. And so I decided to attempt a Nutcracker. This was a little more difficult than I had thought it was going to be. It took me a little more time than I really wanted to spend, but it did turn out really cute. I am using gel liners. I didn't mention that. So in between each color change, I am doing a full cure with my UV lamp. my video did get cut off or I didn't hit record, something happened towards the end, so you don't get to see like the fine details of the mouth, and I went back in with a little bit of a darker blue and outlined the crown and his little shoulder pads and stuff like that. So I believe this is close to where my video ended. I did decide to do the Nutcracker in matte, so I used a matte gel top coat for that nail, and I also used the delicate gel for the other nails. So I'll attach some pictures and video of the final manicure. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think this is super cute and pretty for winter and Christmas. And there's something magical about this manicure. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you'd like to see more content like this. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.